When it comes to saving water without sacrificing performance, Toro Precision Series nozzles do what fixed spray nozzles can't. Cut water use by up to 33%. PSN Plus nozzles keep going strong with clog-resistant durability. Toro Precision Series nozzles, powered by our patented H2O Chip Technology, cut water use by up to 33% compared to fixed nozzles. At the core of the Precision Series nozzle is the H2O chip, a precision-engineered polymer disc with a series of microscopic grooves. As water passes through, these grooves create high-frequency oscillations, breaking the stream into consistent droplets and distributing water in a precise pattern. Unlike traditional fixed spray nozzles that emit water in a constant fan pattern, Toro Precision Series nozzles use a patented oscillating stream to deliver water slowly and evenly. This controlled delivery reduces misting and runoff, improves soil absorption, and boosts efficiency. And thanks to its lower precipitation rate, you can design efficiently more zones with more heads per valve. Up your efficiency with our new Toro PSN Plus, designed to stop suckback that can cause clogging at the nozzle. Less maintenance and longer life, built for the real-world conditions you deal with every day. Toro Precision Series nozzles are engineered for superior distribution and reliability. With a wide range of arc and radius options, color-coded tops for fast identification, with male and female threads, are engineered to fit all major manufacturers' spray heads, ready for any new installation. Toro Precision Series nozzles and PSN Plus are trusted for delivering consistent coverage, long-term durability, and real water savings, and uses 33% less water, ensuring every drop goes exactly where it's needed. Upgrade to one of the most efficient nozzles on the market. Ask for the new PSN Plus, the Toro Precision Series nozzles at your local professional irrigation distributor today. Precision Series nozzles by Toro, built to save, built to last.